What's up, guys? Coming at you this morning on this Wednesday morning with a update on what's been going on at my shop. Got a couple of customs that are done, couple I'm working on. Now these aren't my customs for the month. I'm actually done with that car, and I'm actually done with the wheel swap for the month of April. That'll be in my next video, probably. Might do the video today and have it uploaded. It might be tomorrow. Depends on how the rest of my day goes. But I did a big dye job, and it's a color that I hadn't used before. And man, what I actually did was use the brown, and I did it on this Ford GT. And if you look in the light, man, it's kind of like a really, really dark brown. And this color, man, I wish you guys can see it better, but it was so dark. This car was actually yellow, and I left the interior the same. It's just put some real riders on it with the gold lip. I thought it looked pretty cool. You can kind of barely see the tail lights I put on it because the car is just so dark, man. But this dye didn't get all of the car. There's some spots in the back. You probably can't see it either, but there you go. It missed it. That was weird. And I did 3 cars with the dye. I actually did the vet. This car was yellow. You can kind of see a brown shade to it. Did some tail lights on it. Wheels. I actually painted the interior. Well, a matte kind of burgundy or whatever to kind of match the inserts or the rim. Came out pretty good. I love the color, but here's a little spot that didn't actually dye. If you can see it, it's like a little yellow right there, and also there. I don't know, maybe because of the cars were touching each other or what. And I did this one. This is actually a Rim City 1/64 scale BMW. I think it's a 5 series. Here's the headlights. Got some custom wheels on it from Cree Auto. I've been telling you guys about. I get off of eBay. But man, I like this color, man. This is and this car was white. Normally when you dye, the cars don't come out this dark, man. But that brown was like a paint job almost. But there is a spot here that didn't dye. And I've dyed cars together a lot. But yeah, man, it came out pretty good. But like I said, I got the G-Wagon in the back working on it. It's almost done. Got a custom wheels on it, matte black. It's gonna be pretty cool. I gotta finish this one up. I actually waiting to get the windows tinted. I was gonna use the tester spray tint, but it's hard messing with that stuff, so I'm gonna actually do some real tint. And by the way, that's a Matchbox Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Man, I love that casting. And you know, this is a Matchbox Vet. Pretty cool. I wanted to spray tint the windows on here, but man, every time I try to do it, it doesn't come out right. And we know this is the Hot Wheels Ford GT. Got a Silverado back there. I worked on a suspension. Chevelle wagon. Did a wheel swap on it. I got another race car I'm dealing. I'm working on another Chevelle. Lowering it. Got a couple of other cars in the shop I can't really reveal right now, but that's how it's going. But this Ford is pretty cool, man. Now outside, as you can see, I got my stacker parked out there. That Ford GT is gonna be delivered to a dealership. And I don't know what's going on with my camera today. But yeah, man, I actually did 2 Ford GTs. All right. We got this first one coming out, and we're just gonna set them up so they can be seen. And then the other GT project we did, this car was actually silver, and you're not gonna find this color unless you do a dye job on it. So let's take a look at it real quick. Came out really good. Did the tail lights, exhaust, real riders on it. Now the undercarriage on both cars, I did a matte black. As you know, the Hot Wheels, it comes in like a gray. But yeah, man, we're gonna get those loaded up and onto the stacker and on its way out. But we've got a couple of other cars that are ready. Got the little BMW. It's coming out. Get that ready for a customer. We got the Vet. It's also ready. Even though I was gonna tint it up, it's looking like that car is gonna have to get a tint job. But I have some donor cars just in case I mess it up. I can, keep trying. And while I'm out here, let me show you guys what happened with my 3D printed Suburban build. Didn't come out like I wanted it. And for some reason, now on my black F350, I had the same problem. For some reason, on these 3D printed models, the black tester's paint sucks. it'll bubble up as soon as it touches the vehicle. And you can sand it as best as you can. And then even the tester's clear coat, man. Even if you go through the warming the bottles up, the cans up, and everything just bubbles up on these cars, man. Now, on some of my 3D printed models, I used, now the wheels came out pretty good. That was a good choice of rims. I had to paint those, but I'm not happy with it. So I have another one on the way. But as far as getting them painted, like on my gray dually 350, it came out pretty good. I mean, I was happy with it. I mean, it could have been better, but I'm cool with it. I'm actually cool with the black Suburban, but I'm just gonna do another one. So, oh, I got one more car. Let's get this guy to get ready to be pulled out. And what we have back here is a Supra. This is let me see. I can't remember if this is a Rim City or some other casting, some other company. Now, the brown actually came out as like a kind of fade on it, man. My custom for the month, it did the same thing. Just to give you guys a heads up, my custom for the month is a dye job also, but it's awesome. But this car, I put some custom wheels on it. This car is gonna have to be lowered. I got a lot more work to do with it, but for right now, I'm just gonna put it on standby. Get him out of here, and when they're ready, we're gonna do some more work to it. Alright, so guys, we got the stack all loaded up. Hope you enjoyed the update on what's going on at the shop. And my driver is ready to take those two Ford GTs on out of here, man. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be looking out for some more updates on the shop and some more customs. Peace.